Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make this delicious vegan jackfruit curry. For this curry I used canned tomatoes, onions, salt, garlic, ginger, anise seeds, chili flakes, sweet pepper, curry powder, lemongrass powder, coconut oil, coconut milk, my spice mix, and young jackfruit. Strain the jackfruit. You could also use a cheesecloth. Coarsely chop the onions, ginger, garlic, and sweet pepper. Put the onions, garlic, and ginger along with a little bit of water in a blender and blend until smooth. Heat coconut oil over medium heat and cook the onion, garlic, and ginger mixture. As you can see, at this point it has quite some water in it from the ingredients and from the water I added. As you continue to cook it, the water content will evaporate. Keep stirring while it is cooking. And here you can see that it has become drier. It has also decreased in volume. And that is exactly what we are going for. I cooked it for about 15 minutes. If you want to speed up the process, you could add a little bit more oil. At this point, add the spices and cook it along for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add some of the coconut milk to create a paste and lower the heat. In the meantime, blend the canned tomatoes and sweet pepper and add it to the rest. I added some lemon leaves that I had laying around, but this is totally optional. At this point, it splatters a lot. So if you have a lid or a splatter screen, cover the pan and let it cook over low heat for another 15 to 20 minutes. Add the remainder of the coconut milk. And this is also the perfect time to taste and see if you would like to add any additional seasoning. Add the jackfruit and mix it. In addition to the coconut milk, add some water. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer over low heat for another 15 to 20 minutes. I like to eat this with boiled sweet plantains or cumin rice. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite curry combination is. And if you enjoyed this video, share it, like it, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.